Good morning, students. Welcome to online learning. I am your social studies teacher. Students, in our previous online classes, we have already discussed some topics inside this lesson 4.1 Life in the High Mountains. Some topics in the Himalayan valleys, in the western Himalayas, in the eastern Himalayan region. This all topics we have already discussed. Our today's topic is in the northeastern hilly region. There are 7 states in the northeastern hilly region of India. They are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura and Mizoram. They are known as the Seven Sisters. First, Arunachal Pradesh, yesterday we have already discussed. Now, second, Assam. असम या असम उत्तर पूर्वी भारत में एक राज्य है। असम अन्य उत्तर पूर्वी भारतीय राज्यों से घिरा हुआ है। असम is a state in northeastern India situated south of the eastern Himalayas along the Brahmaputra and Barak river valleys. The state is bordered by Bhutan and Arunachal Pradesh to the north, Nagaland and Manipur to the east, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram and Bangladesh to the south, and West Bengal to the west via the Siliguri corridor. It is also one of the world's most population subdivision. Assamese is the official and most common language, followed by Bengali, the second most common. See, look at your book, page number 71. Assam. Assam is located at the foothills of the Himalayas. Its capital is Dispur. Some major hills of Assam are the Garo, Khasi, Jaintia and Patkoi. Farming and cane weaving are the main occupations of the people here. Their food consists mainly of rice, pulses, meat, eggs and fish. The tea gardens of Assam are well known. Men in Assam wear dhoti and shirt. Women wear a long skirt and a shawl. The skirt is made of colorful hand-woven cloth. The popular folk dance of Assam is Bihu. The popular folk dance of Assam is Bihu. See, its capital is Dispur. Some major hills of Assam are the Garo, Khasi, Jaintia and Patkoi. Farming and cane weaving are the main occupations of the people here. The tea gardens of Assam are well known. Assam is known for Assam tea and Assam silk. The state was the first site for oil drilling in Asia. Students, I will show you one picture, this one, Bihu dance. The Bihu dance is an indigenous folk dance from the Indian state of Assam related to the Bihu festival, and it is an important part of Assamese culture. बिहू असम के 3 अलग सांस्कृतिक उत्सवों के एक समूह को दर्शाता है और दुनिया भर के असमी प्रवासी इसे धूमधाम से मनाते हैं। बिहू शब्द बिहू नृत्य और बिहू लोकगीत दोनों की ओर संकेत करती है। The popular folk dance of Assam is Bihu. Bihu is a set of 3 important Assamese festivals in the Indian state of Assam. Assam is famous for its tea gardens, Bihu is the main festival. Dispur is the capital of Assam. Next, Meghalaya. Meghalaya is a very small hilly state. Its capital is Shillong, which is a very beautiful city. Mausinharam in Meghalaya receives the heaviest rainfall in the world. Most of the inhabitants of this state are of Garo and Khasi tribes. They speak their own languages. The main occupations of the people are farming and making articles out of bamboo, cane and wood. They grow rice, potatoes, jute and sugar cane. Their food consists mainly of rice and dried fish. Meghalaya. What is the capital of Meghalaya? The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. The word Meghalaya means abode of clouds, meaning abode of clouds from Sanskrit Megha, cloud plus Alaya, that is abode, is a state in northeastern India. English is the official language of Meghalaya. Meghalaya has predominantly an agrarian economy with a significant commercial forestry industry. The important crops are potatoes, rice, maize, pineapples, bananas, papayas, spices, etc. Meghalaya is also the home to a large variety of fruits, vegetables, spices and medicinal plants. मेघालय पूर्वोत्तर भारत का एक राज्य है जिसका शाब्दिक अर्थ बादलों का घर है। मेघालय के मुख्य रूप से कृषि आधारित अर्थव्यवस्था है, जिसमें वाणिज्यिक वन उद्यान का अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण स्थान है। यहाँ के मुख्य में आलू, चावल, मक्का, अनानास, पपीता एवं दालचीनी, हल्दी आदि बहुत से मसाले हैं। नेक्स्ट, turn your page, look at your book, page number 72. Nagaland. Nagaland is a small state in the northeast of India. Its capital is Kohima. The Naga hills are covered with thick forest. Many kinds of wild animals are found in the Naga forest. The Nagas are very brave people. Their main occupations are farming, hunting, weaving and making articles out of bamboo, cane and wood. There are about 16 different tribes in Nagaland. All speak their different languages. The Nagas wear colorful clothes decorated with beads, shells, feathers and ivory. Their food consists mainly of rice, fish. Most Nagas are Christians. Nagaland. Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. Dash is the capital of Nagaland. Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. नागालैंड भारत का एक उत्तर पूर्वी राज्य है। इसकी राजधानी कोहिमा है। नागालैंड की सीमा पश्चिम में असम से, उत्तर में अरुणाचल प्रदेश से, पूर्व में बर्मा से और दक्षिण में मणिपुर से मिलती है। नागालैंड इज अ स्टेट इन नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न इंडिया. इट इज बॉर्डर्ड by the state of Arunachal Pradesh to the north, Assam to the west, Manipur to the south and Sagaing region of Myanmar to the east. Nagaland's capital city is Kohima and its largest city in Dimapur is Dimapur. The traditional costumes worn in Nagaland are a lot different from the other states of India. Nagaland is covered with dense forest. Nagas wear colorful dresses. Nagaland, their food consists mainly of rice and fish. Their main occupations are their main occupations. What are the main occupations? Their main occupations are farming, hunting, weaving, and making articles out of bamboo, cane, and wood. There are 16 different tribes in Nagaland. All speak their different languages. Thank you, students. I hope you all understood this lesson. Tomorrow we will continue this lesson.